Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you do share this video. We did report, of course, about Zion Creationist leader Oshego Lekganyane being taken to the court, of course, by the church, the big church of the ZCC, and the leader of that church, Bishop Barnabas Lekganyane. At that time, we didn't know what actually, the result rather as to what had happened, and we could only assume at that point that Oshego Lekganyane won because of the statuses that he had been posting on his Facebook. Now, first, here's the reason why he was taken to court by the ZCC. They felt like he was basically taking everything of the original church, making it his own. He was copying everything, according to them, of course. He was copying everything from the church's church regalia or uniform, the church's badge, the badge that they work, or the normal ZCC. They felt like Oshego was just taking that and making it his own. Basically, they felt like he was ridiculing their other church. And of course, what else? The name, because it can be very much confusing. Both the names, I mean, we do know of the Zion Christian Church as the biggest church in South Africa, and then Oshego Lekganyane decided to form his own church called Zion Creationist Church, and I'm guessing that's why they took him to court. But on the statement that he had released, of course, addressing the public, Oshego Lekganyane stated that the ZCC church wanted him to be arrested immediately. So he did reach out to my videos and told us what actually transpired in court. And according to him, he won in court. So let me just go ahead and read that comment. He said the ZCC order was set aside by the judge, and the urgent application for my arrest was dismissed. The creator is all power, you guys. So that was Oshego saying that an application which is launched by the ZCC to have him arrested was actually dismissed by the judge, and of course he thanked God. What do you think about this, guys? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also, of course, like this video and do make sure that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.